farmers across America are speaking out. Case IH, once a trusted name, is now facing a massive backlash. Broken promises, faulty equipment, and a media blackout. So what's really going on? Stay tuned, because in this video, we're exposed to what the media won't tell you and why thousands of farmers are turning their backs on Case IH for good. Case IH, short for Case International Harvester, has long been a household name in farming. Known for its powerful machines, red tractors, and heritage that dates back to the 1800s, many farmers swore by it. But today, that loyalty is shattered. Reports are flooding in, from Iowa to Nebraska, of farmers facing serious issues. Tractors breaking down within months, parts on back order for 6 months or more, and customer service practically non-existent. These aren't isolated complaints. This is a pattern. I spent over $300,000 on this equipment, and when it broke down during harvest season, Case IH told me to wait 14 weeks for a replacement part. 14 weeks. Do you know what that means for a farmer? Meanwhile, the cost of owning a Case IH machine has skyrocketed. Software lockouts, expensive updates, and restrictive repair policies have left farmers feeling trapped. It's the classic case of right to repair, or rather, the lack of it. Unlike some competitors, Case IH has been accused of limiting who can repair their machines. Independent mechanics? Locked out. Even farmers themselves can't access diagnostic tools without paying thousands. It's led to a movement, a boycott. The hashtag boycott KSH is trending in AG forums and farmer groups. Thousands are sharing their experiences, warning others, and moving a brand that put farmers first. And yet, major media outlets remain silent. Despite the growing outrage, mainstream media hasn't covered the issue. Could it be because of advertising dollars or corporate pressure? Whatever the reason, the truth is being buried. Ironically, older Case IH models are still going strong. It's the newer models, loaded with software and smart tech, that are failing. Many are calling this planned obsolescence. Designed to break, designed to trap. Farmers are the backbone of our world, and they deserve better. The boycott isn't just about tractors. It's about freedom, fairness, and the future of farming. If you're a farmer, a supporter, or just someone who believes in standing up to corporate abuse, share this video. Let the truth be known, because this time we won't be silenced.